What's up, guys? Today I'll be continuing work on the EXO bumper.
No.
I can't with you.
Continuing work.
I didn't say it? What, I didn't say it right? Again?
Wait, am I in this?
Yeah, you're in this. Oh, come on. So today we've got a special guest, Alex, aka Uberlight 2. He's actually the he's the filmer from the Turbo Mustang series. So welcome back, Alex.
Hi.
He's gonna start doing some more filming for me. And today I need some advice from him because I have no idea what I'm doing with this front bumper. So here we go. All right, so in quick review, so far I have extended my bash bar that I had in this region, and then I also added this lower bar, and then I also mounted the intercooler with those tabs. So next up I need to start building the left and right side, and that's where I don't know exactly what I'm doing. So I have Alex here to tell me what to do. So I know I'm coming back the headlights like this. I like that. And I know the bottom bar is going to kind of follow the same path. But then when I get to the side here, so I can either go back, like bend this, bend or weld, try to bend it maybe, bend back to here, and then bring it, let's see, down, and then you're probably going to have another straight and bend here that kind of matches this top one, but come down at an angle, and then up, and then across.
I was gonna say it have to be angled.
Yeah. Or the other option is to stop this one right here, and then come back at an angle. Back a little bit. You can't go too far back because of the tire, obviously. Come back at an angle, and then bring this one back a little bit more.
Well, definitely the first option. That's a
First option?
That's
for
a
sure?
no-brainer, yeah.
Yeah, all right, cool. Because the second option I didn't like as much because it would seem a little bit more like a bash bar and be kind of just on the front. I don't know if that makes any sense, but I want to bring it back a little bit to kind of seem more like a full bumper.
I think the cool part about doing an EXO thing like this is to keep it as close to the body lines as possible. So like it's sucked up to the lights, super close, and if you can suck it up
That's
to
what I
this
want
line
to do.
too, but it'll have a three-dimensional look. And it's just gonna look really nice.
Word. So in addition, I'm definitely going to be adding more bars in this area because this is just a big open area. But for now, I know that these two bars are going to exist. So that's what I'm going to do next. And then from there, we can decide if there's more bars or what I'm going to do in the middle. What do you think? You're a professional fabricator.
So you're 100% set on the bend?
Well, it doesn't need to be a bend. But I think the bend might look a little more professional. Although so far, I've liked the look of the sharpness and aggressiveness.
Well, that's what I'm going to say. That's going to define the look pretty heavily. Because if you have sharp edges and then a rounded...
You're saying if I have some sharp and one round or two round?
I mean, just you got to think how it's going to look together as a whole.
True.
So...
All right, so you're thinking cut and weld?
You got a bunch of, I mean...
Yeah, I have all these sharp corners, so...
Angles. Like,
yeah, I agree.
So,
I kind of like that idea.
oh, that's going to look so sick. Are you going to have it poking out just like...
Probably just a little bit to go around that.
Yeah.
I don't want to come out too far.
No.
Because I still like kind of the poke of the tire and the wheel and stuff. So I want to kind of stay in, but as close as I can.
So sweet. Oh my goodness.
That's the idea. All right. So it sounds like we're going to do a cut and weld here, which is going to be, should be pretty easy. I'll just have to figure out the angle and then split the angle on both tube sides to then butt them up perfectly and weld them the whole way around. And then, so then to match, we'll do the same thing down here. And so we're going to go back, and then this tube will just connect the two. First task is the top bar. Let's do it. Could not look dumber. So the angle that I determined it to be is about 144 degrees. So I'm going to divide that by 2, and that will be the angle that I cut so that each pipe kind of lines up. Okay, so far we've got the top bar actually for both sides cut. So that looks pretty good. So next up I'm going to be cutting this short piece, this like 6-inch piece. And I got this angle which looks to be correct here. And so I'm going to cut that. And then I think I'm going to move on to these lower bars. I'm going to do the lower bar here and here. So that then I can line it up and then I can start to do this sidebar. So I'm gonna first weld, I'm gonna cut and then I'm gonna weld these two together, and then I'll do the same thing on the bottom, weld those two together, have everything situated where I want, and then start lining up this side piece. I've now got the top bars done on both sides. So this is including this front piece, and I also have the side piece welded on. So that is the right side, here is the left side. So next, now that I've got these sitting exactly where I want them, I'm gonna do some tacks here onto the main bar on both sides so that those stay in place, and then I can move on to start building the bottom bars. Here's where I'm gonna stop for the day. Today I got this top bar actually welded on, so I've got this joint completely welded, and I even got this cut, this angle, if you can see, it's a steep angle. That's actually cut to about where I think that it's gonna need for this last piece. So I've got the top bars both welded on. They're just tacked right here to this, this main structure. I do now also have this lower bar at least fit to the rest of the structure here on both sides, so I can kind of start to see what it's going to look like. So next time I'll be finishing these lower bars, which I'll need one more piece here, and then I'll have this down angle on the side here, and then that will actually close up both sides, and then I'll see how that looks, and then from there I'll just look if I want to be adding any more bars in here. I know I'm going to do something, but I'll just see what it looks like first. So yeah, that's it for today, but let me know what you think. I'm really happy with it.